Cryptorchidism is a condition in which the options given are: the testes do not descend into the scrotal sac, sperm is not found, male hormones are not reactive, ovaries are removed. The correct option is option A. The testes, they remain in the abdominal region only. They don't descend into the scrotal sac. Next question. Neoteny. What is neoteny? Neoteny is retention of the larval characters. Alright. It is the retention of the larval characters. So the correct option, if you see, it's in option D. Retention of the larval trait in the adult body is neoteny. And this is shown by exaltol larvae. Next question. The type of connective tissue that is associated with the umbilical cord is areolar, adipose, reticular. No, all these three options are wrong. The correct option is it is jelly-like connective tissue. Okay, so it is actually mucus connective tissue which is present with Wharton's jelly as the ground substance. Okay, and this is common in umbilical cord, coxcomb, and the vitreous of the eyeball. Next question. हमारे दो slogan is the one that encourages family planning, to have less number of kids to control population growth. Next question. Artificial insemination means transfer of sperm of husband to a test tube containing ova, artificial introduction of sperm of a healthy donor into the vagina, introduction of the sperm of a healthy donor directly into the ovary, transfer of sperms of a healthy donor to a test tube containing ova. Now in artificial insemination, the sperms of a healthy donor are transferred directly into the vagina. Alright, so that's artificial insemination. Next question. Identify the symbols given below and choose the option with respect to the symbol. Now this is very basic. So A represents male, B represents female, and C is the sex which is unspecified. So the correct option is option A. Next question. Mendel obtaining recessive character in F2 generation, okay, by dash and dash, okay, and here the A and B refers to what, okay. So Mendel had obtained the recessive character in F2 by self-pollinating the F1 plants. Alright, self-pollinating. So he cross-pollinated a pure tall tea plant and a pure dwarf tea plant. Now the parental generation was thus represented, and the hybridization is called as monohybrid cross. So what he had done is monohybrid cross. So he had self-pollinated the F1 plants. So the correct option is A. Next question. The myotonic dystrophy is an autosomal dominated trait. Okay, and you have to identify the correct statements. You have to identify the correct statement. So you are given 5 statements here. Myotonic dystrophy is an autosomal dominant trait. Now we have to identify whether it is a correct statement or it is not a correct statement. Okay, so it is an autosomal dominant trait. Sickle cell anemia is an autosomal recessive trait. This is also true. Failure of segregation of alleles result in chromosomal loss is also correct. So the option number 4 and 5th are failure of segregation of allele result in chromosomal gain. Cystic fibrosis is a mental disorder. So the correct statements and the options that are given is first, third, fourth and fifth, first, second, fourth and fifth, and all of these. Now remember, the failure of the segregation of allele, they result in chromosomal loss and in chromosomal gain. So even option 4 is correct. Cystic fibrosis is a Mendelian disorder. Even this is correct. So all 5 options are correct statement. So the correct option is D, all of these. Next question. What is an interon? So interons are non-coding sequences which are found in eukaryotic cell, and they are absent in prokaryotes. Okay. So these are non-coding sequences. These are non-coding sequences which are characteristics of the eukaryote. So which of the statements given above are correct about intron? So it's option B, because these are the non-coding sequences and they are present only in eukaryote. It is not a characteristics of prokaryote. Next question. The one aspect which is not a salient feature of genetic code is its being. Now what's not a feature of genetic code? That it is ambiguous. It is not ambiguous. It is highly specific. It is highly clear. Okay. So it's not ambiguous. Next question. Which of the following is an example of an ancestral homology? So the correct options are almost all modern reptiles, birds, mammals have 4 limbs, a traits which they also share with contemporary amphibians. Is true? The first the birds and all their descendant species have feather, a trait which is unknown in any other group. We don't know. It's wrong. Human and many insect species have eyes. No. So the correct option is A. Almost all modern reptiles, birds and mammals have 4 limbs and they have the same basic plan of structure. Okay, this phenomena is true. Next question. Maximum cranial capacity of is of. Now who will have a maximum cranial capacity would be, and see here, what do you understand by Cro-Magnon man? This represents Homo sapiens. Okay, and the highest capacity was 1680 cc. The Homo sapiens had the highest maximum cranial capacity, big head. The modern mans, which are Homo sapiens, they have the capacity of 1450. So Homo sapiens would have, modern man today, 1450, and the Cro-Magnon man, which was Homo sapiens, they had the highest one, 1680 cc. So the correct option is B. Removal or the absence of thymus in early life shall bring lack of lymphocytes, lack of antibodies, lack of lymph nodes. It would bring about lack of lymphocytes, because lymphocytes basically develop in thymus. Next question. What are benign tumors? Benign tumors are those which do not spread through other locations, right? They are confined to their own originally infecting organ. They do not spread to the other parts, okay? So which is true is first as well as the second. Now why do they cause little damage? Because they are not spreading to other organs. So once the affected organ is removed, the patient can be healthy and hearty to carry out the other life activities. So the correct option is C. Next question. Diphtheria is caused by what is the infective or the causative agent? Corynebacterium. Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Now this Corynebacterium diphtheriae, they release toxins, okay, and these are responsible for carrying out or causing diphtheria. So the correct option is release of poisons or the toxins by the living bacterial cell into the host tissues. The environment heterophily is seen in. Now, environmental heterophily is the difference in shapes of leaves produced in air and water. The buttercap represents the heterophilous development due to environment. So, the correct option is D. Identify two physiological processes induced by two different phytohormones having a common precursor which is formed due to the catalytic activity of pyruvic dehydrogenase complex. Now here, more female flowers in a cucumber. So this would not be true. Next, A-amylase production in barley grain is also not true. Acceleration of fruit ripening in tomato. This is true. Ethylene causes the acceleration of fruit ripening in tomato. And the next statement, delay in sprouting of potato tubers. So malic hydrazide. So this ripening would be caused by ethylene. And malic hydrazide delays the sprouting of potato tubers. And both of these phytohormones are produced because of the catalytic activity of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. So the correct option would be D. The study of different aspects or appearance of plants in different seasons of the year is called as phenology. Improper balanced diet may cause self-poisoning, scarcity of moistures or feeble muscles. In fact, all of these. Note the following. And we have to find out which of the following are true for Oryctolagus. So, let's read the statements. Dentition is heterodont is true. Canines are poorly developed. Wrong. The incisors and chisel-like and poorly developed is also false. Herbivorous and diastema are present is true. The dental formula incisors is 2-1, C00, premolars 3-2 and molar 3-3. So this is correct. So the correct option is B. Breathing involves dash during which atmospheric air is drawn in. So breathing involves inspiration. It is during inspiration during which the atmospheric air is drawn in, and by expiration where the alveolar air is released out. So A is inspiration and B is expiration. Next question. Which one of the following has the smallest diameter? The respiratory bronchiole, okay, which is leading to the alveoli. Next question. Which of the following blood vessels in circulatory system of frog has more deoxygenated blood? So it is the pulmonary artery that has more deoxygenated blood in the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs. Next question. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves open when? So bicuspid valve will open when the blood from the pulmonary vein and the vena cava flows into the left and the right atrium respectively. So the correct option is C. Human urine as compared to the human blood would be hypertonic. It has the highest osmotic pressure than the blood plasma. GFR, or the glomerular filtration rate, is the amount of filtrate formed by kidney per minute, and the GFR is about 125 ml per minute, which means about 180 liters per day. But this much amount of urine is not excreted because 90% of the water is reabsorbed. Majority of the nitrogenous waste product in ureotelic organism like rabbits and other mammals is, now rabbits and other mammals like rabbit, they would excrete ammonia. So the correct option here, see what are uric, the organisms which secrete uric acid as excretory product are uricotelic. These are mostly reptiles. Then those which secrete urea are ureotelic. Those which secrete ammonia are ammonotelic. So urea is secreted by other mammals and a rabbit. So the correct option is ureotelic. Next. Sarcoplasmic reticulum are abundant. Now we are given three statements, and we have to find out which of the options are correct for the red muscles. So the first statement, sarcoplasmic reticulum are abundant, is true. Myoglobin content is high, that is why its color is red, is also true. So they are moderate would be wrong, they are high, we already said. They are aerobic muscles is true. Dependent on anaerobic is wrong, they are aerobic. Less myoglobin content is false. It has high myoglobin content, because of which it's the red color. In the center of each eye band there is an elastic fiber which is known as the Z line. So in between the isotropic band there is Z line, and in between the anisotropic band there is H line or H zone. Okay. Neural canal is the hollow portion of the vertebrate through which neural canal passes. So the correct option is B. The respiratory rhythm center is present in the medulla oblongata. Which one of the following parts of neuron is covered by fatty sheath? The axons. So they can be myelinated or non-myelinated. The hormone responsible for secretion of milk after parturition is prolactin. So prolactin is secreted by the anterior pituitary. So it may act as mild growth hormone, but its physiological effect is growth of breast during pregnancy and secretion of mammary glands after childbirth. Therefore, it is also known as maternity hormone. So the correct option here is B, prolactin. Next, which one is not involved as a secondary messenger in calcium mediated hormone? CAMP is not involved in as calcium mediated hormone. Next, even in the absence of pollinating agent, seed setting is assured in. Now, a seed setting is assured in fig, even in the absence of pollinating agent. The estrous cycle is cyclic changes in the activities of ovaries and accessory drugs during the reproductive period. The primary endosperm cell is formed. The primary endosperm cell is always formed after triple fusion. Hence, it is always triploid. Which of these cells is the largest cell in the ovule? The central cell is the largest cell of the embryo sac, and it is the mother cell of endosperm. Is the mother cell of endosperm. What is pollen grain? Pollen grain is haploid small male gamete which is covered by exine and entine. So the correct option here would be C. It is haploid and it is covered with exine and entine. Which of the following statements is correct? The human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, HPL and relaxin are produced only during pregnancy is true. During pregnancy, the hormones level of estrogen, progesterone, prolactin, thyroxine have higher is also true. Increased production is essential for the fetal growth and metabolic changes in the mother and maintenance of pregnancy is also true. So all of the above statements are true. The male pronucleus is the head of the sperm. Next, exact time of human gestation period is 9 months plus and minus 7 days. The cushion of fatty tissue covered by the skin and pubic hair is called as monopubis. Identify the correct statements. Infertility is the inability to produce viable offspring due to the defects in the female partner is false. It can also be because of the defects in the male partner as well. So the first statement is wrong. Complete lactation helps in contraception. Now this is true because only during the first 6 months of exclusive breastfeeding. Spreading awareness can help to create reproductive health societies also true. So the correct option is second and third statement. Condoms are one of the most popular contraceptives because of the following reasons. They are effective barriers for insemination. They do not interfere with coital act. This helps in reducing the risk of STDs. All of the above. Find out the genotype and the phenotype of the F1 generation, dominant red and recessive white. Now, dominant red and recessive white, the genotype would be RR and the phenotype would be what we can see is red because the dominant is red. Next. In the previous question, find out the ratio between a round and wrinkled seed structure. Now this law of independent assortment, this is the law of independent assortment which gives the ratio 3:1. Next, single gene can produce more than one effect. Like starch synthesis in pea plant, it has two alleles, capital B and small b. For starch synthesis, the phenotypes are also given. So capital B stands for round seeds, large starch synthesis, wrinkle seed, less starch synthesis, intermediate size seeds and intermediate less starch synthesis. Choose the correct option. Now here the correct option is round seed and large synthesis is correct. This is wrinkle due to less starch synthesis. This is in between rounded of wrinkled seeds. So even this statement is correct. So all three statements are correct and hence the correct option is D. During transcription, RNA polymerase holoenzyme binds to gene promoter and assumes a saddle-like structure. What is its DNA binding sequence? The DNA binding sequence is TATA. It is present in eukaryotic promoter region. So this is present in eukaryotic promoter region. And it was identified by Dr. Hognes, who coined the term cistron. The term cistron was caused by Benzer. It refers to the portion of DNA coding for one polypeptide chain or other gene product. Which species of human ancestor was named Lucy? The Australopithecus africanus was named Lucy. Next, it was actually a 3.2 million year old skeleton of a female human ancestor. Next question. The theory of continuity of germplasm was given by August Weismann. Short-lived immunity acquired from mother to fetus across placenta or through mother's milk to the infant is categorized as passive immunity. The specific parts of the antibody molecules that binds the antigen are called as antigen binding sites. So the correct option is C. At the tip of each arm of the Y-shaped molecule is the area which is called as the antigen binding sites, which is formed by a portion of light and heavy chains. So these are the antigen binding sites. So somewhat like this is the structure. So the light and heavy chain constitutes the antigen binding sites. So like this, and the same portion would be on this arm also. So these form the antigen binding sites and it would be Y-shaped like this. MRI is not allowed in the following condition except one. So we have to identify the exceptions. Presence of pacemaker in the body. The MRIs would be not allowed because an artificial device is already present on the patient. Next, and old breeding technique is, so the old breeding technique would be egg farming. An old breeding technique is selection. The domesticated birds used for food or their eggs is called as, poultry farming. By which of the following methods new and better varieties of plants can be formed? By hybridization followed by selection. Somatic hybridization is a technique of, now somatic hybridization is a process of obtaining hybrids by fusion of protoplast. So hybrids are obtained by fusion of protoplast. So the correct option here is D. Two microbes found to be very useful in genetic engineering are Escherichia coli and Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Which of the following would not be used in preparing recombinant DNA? So DNA polymerase 3 will not be used, and rest all three would be used. Next, which one of the following can help in diagnosis of genetic disorder? PCR is a technique in which small fragments of the DNA is rapidly cloned to produce multiple copies of DNA, and it helps in the diagnosis of genetic disorder. And this was given by American biochemist Kary Mullis. So small fragments of DNA are rapidly cloned to identify the genetic disorder. Which variety of rice was patented by US company even though the highest number of this rice is found in India? So it was the basmati rice, which is known for its aroma and flavor, and about 27 documented varieties of basmati are grown in India. And in 1997, an American company got patent rights on basmati rice through US Patent and Trademark Office. Which of the following transgenic human protein has been used to treat emphysema? So alpha 1 trypsin, antitrypsin, has been used for treating emphysema. Gauss's law is true only when resources are limited. So Gauss's hypothesis found out that two species of paramecium grow together, one is eliminated. This is called as Gauss's hypothesis or principle of competitive exclusion. It operates when the resources are limited and the species competes for the same resources. So resources are limited and the species compete for same resources. Which of the following is the logical sequence of primary succession in water? So if you look at option A, small phytoplanktons to free-floating angiosperms to rooted hydrophytes to sedges, grasses, trees, free-floating angiosperms. Grasses and trees, still here is your first option. So this holds logically true. Biological equilibrium is found among producers, consumers and decomposers. So there is an equilibrium between all of them. Next, which of the following statements are correct about Amazon rainforest? They are called the lungs of the planet. Is true. It is so huge that they are referred to as lungs of the planet. They harbor millions of species. It is the largest tropical rainforest in South America and is the highest biodiversity on earth. They are being cut for cultivating soya bean and for the conversion of grassland to raise beef cattle is also true. So the correct option is D. All of the above statements are correct. Next question. If the Bengal tiger becomes extinct, its gene pool will be lost forever. Next question. The ozone layer is found in stratosphere and it extends. So stratosphere extends from 15 to 16 to 50 kilometer, and the temperature show gradual increase in altitude. So it includes much of the ozone layer. Now air pollutants cause injury to all living organism. It reduces growth and yields of crops and causes premature deaths, affects the respiratory system of humans and animals. So D, all of the above statements are true.